Hey chef, what do you got cooking up this month?
So in our December provisions box, we got everything to kind of set that holiday table for you. So we've got a nice bottle of our Priest Ranch Estate olive oil, Italian beef spice rub. We got some butcher's twine, spicy horseradish, artisan maple syrup, a beautiful wood-handled carving set.
I think the perfect wine to pair with this is our 2022 Priest Ranch Cab Sauv. Yeah, it's a blend of 24 different vineyard blocks on the property, so it's a good representation of the property as a whole.
First things first, we've got our Brussels sprouts all prepped and ready to go. You just want to cut them straight in half. A little bit of our Priest Ranch olive oil in the pan. You want it to get nice and smoky. Dump those into the pan. So there's going to be some splatters. A little bit of salt just to get them started. And then while those are cooking, I'm going to show you how to tie that rib roast. I like to loop it a couple of times just to give you some stability. It'll help hold it in place once you tighten it like this. Just drizzle that over the roast. That's going to help your spices stick. With this stuff, you want to be pretty generous with it. There's a good amount of salt in here already, so you don't need to add any extra to that roast. But just, you'll see a lot of it's going to fall off of that beef as you're seasoning. So now that the Brussels sprouts have been cooking for a little bit, they got some good color on them. I'm going to take just a little bit of butter right into the pan. Give that a good toss. And then we'll just hit it with some maple syrup to kind of create that beautiful glaze.
Hey chef, it's smelling good in here.
Yeah, so the roast just came out of the oven. It's rested, so it's ready to carve. So first you're going to want to make sure that you're cutting off those pieces of butcher twine that you tied it up with. Start carving this beautiful cut of beef.
Oh, perfect.
Well, great. Let's get this on the table. So that's it for our December provisions box. If you need some more information, go to our website at priestranchwines.com. Cheers.